Hello and welcome! In this tutorial I will show you how to share a dashboard so that other users in your network can also access this dashboard without logging in. This allows you, for example, to display a dashboard in a lobby with little effort. You can manage the sharing of a dashboard both in the Dashboard Manager and in the Dashboard Editor. Open the sharing window with the Share Dashboard button. Select the Share Publicly option here. You can also revoke the sharing at any time in this window. Use the link at the bottom of the window to call up the dashboard without having to log in. This link is static for each dashboard. It does not change if you change the sharing settings of the dashboard. Copy the link. Activate the share. When linking to other dashboards, please note that such links only work without logging in if the target dashboard is also shared publicly. Check the sharing. To do this, open the link that you have just copied without being logged into the GridVis. In this view, you can display the dashboard in presentation mode and change the time period that is displayed. This change only applies to presentation mode and is not saved in the dashboard. Thank you for your interest in this tutorial. For more information, please visit wiki.janitza.de.